The silence hit me before the alarm did. It's too quiet. When the relay goes dark, the whole planet feels twice as big. The voltage is fluctuating too erratically. Something's wrong.
All right.
This casing is burning up. There's critical heat here. God, look at the force this took. What is that? Is it moving? Magnetic and unnatural. The interference isn't coming from the sky. It's coming from the ground. I have to go out there.
If I don't get that relay back online before the window closes, I'm just a ghost in a tin can. No one's coming.
Every breath out there is a transaction. I'm trading time for oxygen, and today the price is going up. The airlock is the border. One side is life, the other is 72 hours of trying not to die. Every time I step out here, I have to remind my brain that the sky isn't a ceiling. It's just an endless way to fall. God damn it. Hold, come on, reverse, reverse. Whoa, look at that, it's too unstable. Finding a new path, can't risk it. Mars doesn't kill you with a punch. It kills you with 1,000 little mistakes. I'm not making any today. Arg, suit alert, the dust. It's live. It's not just a leak,
The impact hit a pressurized pocket of magnetite. It's coming up like oil, and it's alive with static. It's just me and the rock now. If I fail, the next crew won't even find my tracks. The dust will have eaten them. It's like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. The more I bury it, the more it pushes back. This planet doesn't want to be heard. We have a signal, 3%. It's barely there, but it's a start. Look, a storm. It's coming fast. I'm blind. The storm is feeding on the magnetic field, turning the whole summit into a dead zone. I just have to sit here and hope the winch holds.
My eyes are lying to me. The sensors are lying. The only thing I can trust is the weight of the rover in the seat. Almost there. Just keep going. The brakes. Need oxygen.
The house is dead. It's like Mars followed me home and locked the door. I'm breathing on borrowed time now. It's a pinhole in the dark. Not enough to talk, but enough to scream. Now let's see if Earth is still listening. The 2.5% signal is a ghost.
can feel the base screaming.
Oh my God, it's alive! We have a stable link. Aiden, do you copy? We have your signal. I copy, Houston. Relay is active. Data Gene Potato Beta is transmitting now. I'm still here. This is Aiden, Sol 442. The 72-hour silence has ended. Communication with Earth was restored at 20. The subsurface impact revealed a high magnetite deposit. We'll need to redesign the antenna grounding systems for the Phase 2 expansion. I'm gonna spend the next few hours salvage cleaning the greenhouse. Maybe some of the tubers survived. If not, I've got enough. We lost a lot today, but as long as one leaf is still green, the mission isn't over. I'll start again tomorrow. Sol 443 is coming. Earth weather report active. Morning, Aiden. Today on Earth. Heater activation confirmed. Temperature stabilizing.